How to embed Google Calendar in Notion. Well, hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, let me guide you the steps on how you can embed Google Calendar in your Notion. Well, the process is simple. First things first, you want to head over to your Google Calendar. So head over to your Google Calendar and then select your calendar. Open up your calendar, tap on the three dots here. You can see on the left hand side the list of calendars that I have. You want to click on three dot and then you want to click on settings. Once you click on setting, you can change your name here. You can see description and such. You want to set your permission settings, and once you have set it to anyone can see all event details, you want to proceed and you want to get the public URL to this calendar. So you can see embed code and you can see public URL to this calendar. You can copy this here, the public URL, then you can proceed to head over to your Notion application. Now here, create a new page. Once you create a new page here, what you want to do is you want to type in /embed and then press enter. Then you want to paste in your code and it'll give you the option to mention URL, bookmark and embed. Select embed and now your Google Calendar will be embedded here on this page. So as you can see here, this is how you can easily embed Google Calendar on your Notion. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below as well.